channel. I'm Maria, and today we're gonna do something really fun. So, let's get started. For this video, we're gonna need some towel paper, a Sharpie, and some colored pens, and last but not least, a bowl with water. So let's get started on drawing it. We're gonna first bend it like this to make kind of a card, and then we're gonna use our Sharpie and draw something. I'm gonna draw a girl. Now we're gonna open it. Okay, I'm just gonna draw it now. Like that. And now we're just gonna cover those sides like that, and now we're at the point that we color it. So now I'm just gonna color it. I'm ready. Now you're gonna fold it back. And I'm gonna bring in here and drop it in. Whoa, this is cool. Like, I'm really impressed. And it still shows that color. So, did you guys like this video? I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go to the next video next week. Subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Bye, guys.